Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and today I am going to show you how to automatic chat on your business on Messenger. So to do this process, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go to your page. So to do that, select the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and just simply switch to your page. Now, once you are on your page, you could just simply select the messenger icon on the top right corner over here. Now, it will redirect you to the Meta Business Suite. Now, over here, as you can see, I am on the Inbox tab on the left side. And you should be able to see here automations. So go ahead and select automations, and it will redirect you to this tab. And now, as you can see, you will have an option over here, instant reply. So from here, select try it over here. And now from here, where would you like to use this automation? I'm going to select Messenger, and this is how it will look. And now from here, of course, you can change the text over here. And now, as you can see, you should be able to see something like this on the preview of the Messenger. Now, once you have provided your message, you could also personalize your message over here, which it will make your message more personal by adding names or page information to your automated response. And you could also insert an emoji to make it more interactive, and you will have multiple options over here. And you could also provide an image or video file to your automated response, and you could also provide a button over here, which from here you could say something like enroll now, and you could provide a website redirecting them to your site to make more sales. And once you are done with everything, guys, you could just simply select save changes, and you should be able to see the preview in Messenger as well over here.